summer rain, from city lights to nowhere roads. It doesn't matter where we go. You and me, we got that little bit of everything, little bit of everything.
Good afternoon and welcome to Istanbul here in Turkey. Very unexpected. I thought I would be in China right now, but I missed a connecting flight in Warsaw first. They put me on a flight to Istanbul, then they missed that one as well. So now I'm here, but I'm not complaining. It's very warm. I'm gonna go and check out the Hagia Sophia Mosque and the local market, walk around here. My next flight is 24 hours later actually, so at like 1:30 in the night. So I'm gonna walk around here 7-8 hours, show you guys around. But I'm quite happy because they put me in the airport hotel and they actually had quite nice breakfast. I had some high protein local food, of course a lot of eggs and other local stuff, sausage. But then they also had a gym, so I actually checked out the gym and it was quite good. I'm not complaining. But now I'm walking here, got some energy. Only slept 4 hours, but that is enough. So I'm gonna walk around, show you all of this in the background and see what happens. Of course we're gonna try some local food, right? To have some interesting corn and chestnut. And we have some other local pastries here. It's looking pretty interesting. Just check it out. This is chestnut?
Chestnut, yes bro.
Yes, gotta try one.
100 gram vereyim mi? 100 gram, okay.
Yeah, this one.
Güzel, güzel, very nice. No
Yes,
problem.
very true. Okay.
Enerji ver,
Thank
enerji.
you.
Enerji.
Interesting. Very good. Thank you.
Bro, together
Yeah.
photo.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Let's try it. Yes. Very interesting chestnut here. Let's have a bite and try it. Quite dry, a bit crunchy, but I always try to find some local stuff and try it. Yeah, let's keep on walking. Of course, in the background we have the classical kebab here. We're in Turkey after all. We'll see, maybe I'll try that later, but that looks a bit boring, that place. I'm gonna probably find something else, but I think I need to find some dinner later. We'll see. After some great energy, we're gonna walk into the Grand Bazaar here in the background. Real cool, and just walk around. Sure, we're gonna find some cool snacks, maybe even some souvenirs. You never know what you find when you walk here. Really cool old areas, that is for sure. Gonna walk around, show you some clips here in the background. There's food everywhere. It's gonna be a very nice day, that's for sure. Lots of quite modern stores here in the back, but you can go also outside, see all the old market and stalls. I think I'm gonna go outside in the warm weather instead, enjoy that a little bit. Here we definitely have some amazing meat barbecue skewers in the background, but I think I'm gonna save that for a little bit later, maybe sit outside. Inside it's not so fun, we can be outside, but a lot of cool stuff here in Turkey, that's for sure. I love when you can see the local people sitting down and having some nice tea here, Turkish coffee, and having some local food. Always look at the locals, see what they're doing. Definitely a lot of really impressive and cool architecture in the background with the mosques. I'm gonna walk past the Hagia Sophia and also the Blue Mosque, but there are buildings everywhere. Just gonna go in and take a bit of a look, see what's inside. Really gorgeous here with all these stones, I don't know what type, but this gold and the combination in the blue sky. Definitely very dynamic and super beautiful. I really love these active vacations and walking around, exploring, see what's up next. Here was actually a bit of a less tourist area, a lot of cool books and literature and old stores here everywhere. It's a bit different than all this commercial stuff you see everywhere. Really nice to explore some different areas here. Always fun when you're exploring to buy some gifts here to bring to the colleagues and friends. Explore a lot of nuts, not for me, but other people can enjoy it. A lot of cool exotic spices here and people in the background enjoying it. Always fun to try the local stuff. Maybe we can try it when we're eating later, we'll see. Walking around some of these back alleys with the crazy background, but I found some really nice food here. I don't want to have the stuff on the main strip, so I think I'm gonna go inside here and check it out. It's definitely looking good. Oh wow. Amazing. Looks really good. Very, very good. Wow. Wow.
This is Mardin kebab.
Fantastic.
This is lahmacun.
Lamb. Wow. So many things to try.
Salad, Turkish salad.
Amazing. Yeah, let's try. Definitely more in line with my preferences. This kind of meat instead of the garbage. Yeah, let's sit down and try. There's so much amazing stuff on the menu here. Can't try everything, but I'm gonna have some lamb and beef mixed and then some lamb skewers or chicken skewers on the side actually. See, I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. I love this background here. The small buildings, not just the main strip. Really nice. Wow, now we're getting the food. That is crazy. Thank you so much. Okay, so we finally got this incredible meat. Let's take a look at this insane mountain here. We have the kebab, it's like mixed of lamb and the beef, and we also have the chicken skewers. We have some very nice salad on the side, and of course, we have some incredible bread here. I'm not normally a big consumer of bread, but that is looking really crispy. Then we also got a very nice bit of side salad here. Let's see if you can see it. Tomato and oil. That looks looking insane for dipping. Let's try it. Let's start with one of these crazy lamb kebab pieces. Ooh, it's looking incredible. Let's have a bite. Meat, wow. With the lamb aftertaste. A bit different than the spices you normally use in China, that's for sure. Not cumin, and you have this rice, maybe it's barley, I'm not sure. Very good combination. Good tasting. Let's try the chicken pieces here. Looking very juicy, that's for sure. Wow, from the barbecue. Grilled. Not too spicy, very nice. And we have some grilled tomato here, looking fantastic too. We need the vegetables. Now we have some spicy bit of pepper here. Let's try it. Not that spicy. Actually getting a bit afterwards, but I love sliced food, so that's fantastic. Okay, let's see if we can get some carbs here with dip the bread here. I'm not sure if you can eat it this way, but let's try it. Bit of a tomato action going on. Let's have a bite. So good. Refreshing with the tomatoes. I think you have a bit of an olive oil here. Also some vinegar, I think. Fantastic combination. I don't eat bread that much, but this is crazy good. Let's have another one. Yeah, take a look at that. Only slept 4 hours, so definitely need some energy to get back in the game. Maybe even sprinkle it a bit crazy with some lamb beer. Wow, that is definitely looking insane. Let's have a bite. I have to come to Turkey, definitely gotta try this. Get one more combo here with a bit of an onion, one piece of chicken, and some of this amazing tomato salsa, and also a bit of this lamb beef one. Take a look at this insaneness. This is heaven, that is for sure. That is dripping. Fantastic combination of not so spicy, but a lot of fantastic meat flavor, good carbs, oil, and tomatoes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Leave you guys with this. Walk around a little bit, but totally fantastic meal. If you come to Turkey and Istanbul, definitely gonna try it, so see you a bit later. After that incredible meal, they gave me this free tea. Let's try it. A little bit like red tea in China. Very refreshing. And sip a little bit of this and take a walk. Maybe we have Turkish coffee as well. Let's see. Let's get going. Now we definitely have a lot of great energy, and it's a bit windy here, but I really love this atmosphere. You have the trees and the old buildings, a new one. You have this tram here that's walking in the street. You have all this huge minarets and the old buildings. Just gonna continue walking, see what you can find in the background. Of course, when you're in Turkey, you have the Turkish ice cream. You always playing in the streets. Pretty interesting. Yeah, I think I'm gonna skip that. We have a lot of carbs for now. Sweets are not really my thing, but always fun to see the local specialties in the street. It's pretty spectacular walking around here. You have both the Blue Mosque and the Hagia Sophia in the same area, so to speak, in the background here, and then you turn around. We have the other one here. You can easily walk around and enjoy this incredible view. It's a UNESCO World Heritage, so definitely one of the top things to see when you come to Istanbul, that's for sure. And it's really nice park here. You can walk around. People are sitting everywhere. You have these very nice flowers, highly relaxing, and the temperature is actually very, very nice. Really tropical, not so humid either. Definitely a fantastic day to come in. It's Friday, so not too much people. Definitely happy with this little unexpected trip here to Istanbul. If you come here, definitely check this place out. I can tell you this much, I definitely didn't expect to be walking around here when I woke up 5 a.m. last morning, boarded my flight. Then all these cancellations happened and I turned out to be in Istanbul. Well, I am not complaining. That's some pretty spectacular view. Nice with a bit of a break before jumping on the flight to Beijing here. Totally amazing and inspiring here. Really fresh weather as well. Slightly different than where I'm going, that's for sure. If you like architecture, you can probably walk around the city for a while. It's totally incredibly amazing. A bit unexpected almost, or I haven't been here in a long time, almost forgot how beautiful it is. Very recommend if you're into that. Quite interesting when you're out walking the street and you hear the prayers starting. It's Friday, so prayer day. So in the morning also people on the street out. It's very empty here. We definitely hear it everywhere. Different vibe, that is for sure, than many other places when you're walking around, hearing this in the background. Now we finally got to a really nice park here just next to Hagia Sophia Museum. Very dynamic actually in this city. You have the streets, you have the huge old buildings, and you have museums, and then this park, and a lot of fantastic food everywhere. Really amazing just to walk around. Highly and positively surprised, I must say. Definitely a lot of cool spots here. I can feel this place definitely lights up in the evening when you have the lights coming out and all this food and restaurants. I think I'm going to sit down and have a bit of cafe, and actually there is a cafe behind me. See if I can find some place, have a bit of a coffee. Definitely love this area. It seems like everyone is having this corn on the cob here that I've been seeing everywhere. Looks really tasty, especially with this crazy view here and the amazing background. I'm gonna grab a bit of a snack here and get some energy. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Fantastic, thank you. Okay, so we got the corn here. See if you can see it. That is looking really tasty and crispy, straight from the grill. Let's see if I can have a bite here. Quite tricky to eat. I'm probably gonna mess it up on the problem. Really juicy and salty. Very refreshing and nice crispy snack here before I continue walking. Yeah, I'm gonna finish it. See you later. So now I've been walking and actually got on to Bosporus here, the water that separates actually the European part and the Asian part. There are quite many different bridges crossing over it, but you can walk down and enjoy the water side here. Very nice breeze, and all the ships here are very active actually. I'm gonna walk around a little bit here, see if we can find some coffee shop and we sit down and relax. But very nice to switch up all this city with the breeze and the water. You can also jump on a boat actually, but I don't have time for that, so maybe that's gonna be the next time. There's so many of these bazaars here everywhere. Fortunately for me, I'm not a huge shopper, but if you like it, you can spend a lot of time. I bought some gifts here for my friends. There's so much stuff in the background, like fruits, spices, meat, chocolate, a lot of fun stuff. I'm gonna move on now, maybe find something more proper to eat. I think we'll see. Starting to get hungry and the flight is very late. Wow, that is looking amazing. Here we have some good stuff. That is looking good. You can definitely try that one. Very interesting. So I got this liver wrap here. Definitely didn't see that coming, but it looks pretty intriguing, so I just had to try it. A bit tricky to eat, but let's have a bite. Definitely that doesn't taste as much liver as sometimes it's case. It's kind of weird aftertaste. Very nice actually. Juicy, very hot, and liver is definitely very nutritious. So I think I'm gonna enjoy this a little bit and then continue walking, see what we can find more. Yeah, definitely didn't see that coming. Some liver kebab wrap in the street, but you never know what happens when you wake up. Days can turn out good. You gotta find out the positive things and look for fun, exciting adventures. Fantastic. Yes, kebab. Can have some meat. Yeah, let's sit down. Sit maybe. Okay, here. Very good. Yeah. Can have some final meat there before we head to the airport. Very cozy place here, finding out here in the street. Definitely a very good evening. You can also smoke some stuff here, but I'm gonna skip that. This is definitely more than my liking. Wow, that's looking crazy. Wow, fantastic. I am definitely becoming a really weak for Turkish food, that's for sure. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely looking pretty incredible. We have all this lamb and the yogurt, and you have this nice side salad and the bread. Totally insanely good. Yeah, let's try it out. See if we can pick up one of these pieces here. Oh, take a look at this. You have all the meat and the yogurt. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is creamy. A lot of nice barbecue spices there. That is one insane combo here. The meat and the yogurt is falling up and dripping. Let's try. That is so good. Very mild. Then you have once again this nice salad with onion. Really love this. I think it's like olive oil with some vinegar. Really tasty. And of course you can have one of these bread pieces and mix them together. Let's see if we can mix everything together here. Definitely getting really messy, but well, who cares? Let's have it. Let's try. Really crispy bread. Let's get with the meat and the yogurt. Here, as you can see, that is totally insanely amazing. One more piece of this juicy mountain. Lamb and yogurt, that's a crazy combo. Definitely a crazy good way to end this amazing, unexpected day. I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this, and I will see you a bit later. Turkish coffee?
Yes.
Fantastic. Then we're getting a black Turkish coffee here. Thank you. Yeah, after that totally incredible meal, definitely need some nice energy here. I have like 5 or 6 hours until my flight, so need to not fall asleep on the way back to the airport. Gotta enjoy this incredible background. A lot of construction going on in the background, but still very cool and cozy environment. People out there, so gonna relax a bit, enjoy my nice coffee here. Then I'll see you a bit later. That is some strong stuff. Definitely good for me. After that totally insane meal, definitely underrated with the lamb and some nice black coffee. It's time to call it an evening here. I think I'm gonna continue walking. Already got in a lot of steps actually. Bye bye. Yes, thank you to those guys for bringing me in. They always come out and try to go to the restaurant. Sometimes not good, but this was definitely worth it. So let's see how many steps I got. 22,700 steps. Yes, no, already 8, no more. So I'm gonna continue walking here for like 30 minutes, digest a little bit and enjoy this insane background here and the sunset here. Super beautiful. Yeah, the sun is setting. We have food everywhere, people eating in the streets, and you have the waterfront in the background here, and also the mosques. I'm gonna leave you guys with a nice picture. It's been a very, very nice, unexpected day. Hello, hi, yes. A lot of food and people saying hi everywhere. I really like the atmosphere and the attitude. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna leave you with some nice pictures here. Take a bit of a walk, go to the airport, and then next time I'm actually gonna see you in Beijing. So if you wanna see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.